Today we are diving into the world of Coreflux. I will show you how to quickly set up Coreflux on your Linux Ubuntu system. First things first, let's get to the documentation in the Coreflux website. Just click on Documentation and we're going to dive into the Getting Started section and Installation. Under the Linux section, we just copy this command. Now let's open our terminal and get ready to bring Coreflux into our system. So we paste all the commands and here it goes. This is actually getting the package, extracting it and installing. And placing the files that are required. Now once it's finished, let's go into the folder where it's installed, which is opt Coreflux. And we just simply run Coreflux. It's ready and it's going. In order to test it, let's open MQTT Explorer and just connect. The user is root, password is Coreflux. Typically we use this as our initial configuration. Once we connect, we have it here. We are already logged in and we have the topics working. Voila, you have Coreflux installed in your system. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next tutorial.